Yo guys, I wanna see something. I wanna see something here. I wanna see something here. Osh! Ola Doha. 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 Guys, this is Qatar. This is Doha. This is Qatar. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Guys, you know what? If you can't travel, you are wasting your time. Stay, take your money, go out and see the world, guys. This is beautiful. People are parking their cars, they're looking at us.
People are surprised.
We don't mind. We are looking at them, we are checking.
They don't know it's our first time in
Exactly.
Doha, so we are too excited.
And I'm so sweaty, guys. Oh, it's so
They
hot
just stop
here.
their cars and beep like,
Guys, it's 43
because they want
degrees.
to know what's going on. They don't know
43
we are excited because it's our first time in Doha. Like, who wouldn't be excited?
Yo, hi guys. I'm sweating. But guys, this is beautiful. You know, guys, it's so beautiful. Travel, guys, to see the world. We are in Doha. Yo, let me show you. Check at this, guys. Check at this.
I'm excited to see this marvelous
Check.
thing. Yeah. Who wouldn't be excited to just see this marvelous thing here? Guys, the excitement.
Oh, baby, are you happy? Are you happy? 100%.
Yeah.
Hola.
The camera's overheating.
Baby, look how happy I am. Even broke my watch.
Don't worry, Miss Cat. You're so happy. You even broke your watch.
I can't even
Your watch
fix
is
it.
broken. Don't worry, we'll fix it. Don't worry. She broke your watch, guys.
Mania.
Because of excitement.
And I think something fell from it.
No, we'll
Like
cut
a
it.
piece
We can
fell.
get to people tomorrow that can fix that watch. So
Yeah,
not to worry.
maybe. Okay, let me
Guys,
just
it's so
turn it
exciting.
back.
Look at the place. Look at the place. Look how beautiful this place is, guys.
It is very, very beautiful.
Look at
guys.
how beautiful
Doha
this place is.
Beautiful.
Look how
like,
beautiful this place is. Yo.
Christmas.
Yo.
Christmas.
I'm telling you.
Doha is beautiful, guys. That's how beautiful Doha is. It's one of the glass area house
Yeah, it's like that glass.
For my
Hey, wait. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Get that electric scooter. You just scan the QR code.
Yeah, okay.
Mom, you scan the QR code.
Then you're gonna bring it back. Let's see, guys. This is beautiful, huh?
Mom, Mom, do you know it comes first?
Here, I believe you can rent an electric scooter here. An electric scooter here. Yeah, you see, this is an electric scooter, a proper one.
You just drop them here like people did. Daddy, you can put them anywhere like people did. People wrote this.
But how do you pay? How do you pay?
Yeah, scan the QR code.
Where?
Scan.
No,
Scan.
no, my baby.
Yes.
This is a meter.
QR code. This is not a meter.
It's a meter, my baby. Check there. It's a meter.
Then why is it taking me to the website Line Bike?
Yeah, to
I
pay.
don't have I don't
pay.
have
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Scooter.
No,
Guys, not supposed you said yes.
we walk. It's okay. Let's walk, guys. Let's walk, guys. Let's go. We are going to come this side, ne? Guys, we are going to come this side. This is Doha, guys. This place is so beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
I told it, it's like a sauna. He said to me, Lavi mustn't go out, must stay inside. You see this one?
Yeah, this is like a sauna, baby.
I said, there is
Look at me. how I am.
Yeah, Sana's good.
Yo, this place is so beautiful. Beautiful place.